Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I am going to show you how to make a big head topper for my client's cake. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So first I am using this yellow color fondant and start rolling it out, because first what I am doing, I am covering this 10-inch board with this fondant. So you can see it's a really big topper. She wants a yellow hat with black and yellow roses. So I am showing you how you can make this really pretty topper. I am using water for this one. So with a brush I cover the whole area with water and then place the fondant. Let me bring it here, then you can see, and then start. Okay, I'm using this craft knife, cut it from this side. Now I'm making 3 roses for the hat. So 1 black and 2 yellow. So my fondant is not hard, so I want to dry them fast. That's why I'm using CMC powder. Little bit. Mix it. Dusting some corn flour here and start rolling it out. I have many tutorials how you can make roses with cutter, without cutter, different cutters, so you can check them. Today I am using this 5-petal cutter for the rose. It's easy and in short time you can make rose. Very nice color. Okay. Now this is the cutter I am using today. So I need 2 of them because I am making 2 roses yellow color. So I want to cut it in one time. Here is 2. So I'm using, okay, let me place it here and on this side. This one is only for covering the center. All on the foam pad and then start. Okay. So I place them in one time here and then with the ball tool. So here is 1 and 2. Now I make these ones. Let me put them here and start doing this one. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Please don't forget to give a like. This side. I am using water. You can also use edible glue. I have also edible glue, but I am using water now. So first take one of this and then cover it with this yellow color and then wrap it. Then I'm starting here using water. I think you can see middle and then sides. It's very easy to make. Only you need practice. So in the middle, like this, and then from here I want to start first one. And then this one. And like this. So give it a good shape and then start from here. 3 of this. Then I put this one inside and this one here, and then the last one here. Then I take it out and start this thing to make it smooth, and this side I want to give a very nice shape. Then I have to wait to dry this thing at least 1 hour. So now what I am doing, let me show you everything. With the styrofoam I place it here to dry. Then it's very easy. I made a shape like this for the middle of the hat, so it won't be heavy. If I wish I can use only fondant, but it will be heavy if I use all fondant. That's why I am making this one with foil and then cover it with yellow fondant. So first I want to give one layer, then for the smooth texture I want to give a second layer. So this is not the final layer because she is going to use this one on top of a 8-inch cake, and that's why I am making the head 10-inch. Okay, now I am using water. So let me apply water all over it and then use the fondant. Place it here and then cover it. Yeah, this one is perfect. Make it smooth as much as possible because I will give second layer. That's why I'm not worried about the uneven texture. Then I will cut it and place it on the board. So with the cutter, let me cut and check. I am keeping a little bit extra. Now it's too light, so it's easy to let me see the size, if it's okay. Here I'm making some tiny flowers for the head, so I'm using this double glue, remove excess, and then I cut some fondant like this and then make the flower. See, roll it and it's look like a flower. And then from the back I remove excess, and I need 20 or 25 of this, and hang this one like here to dry. I'm making another design tiny flower for the head. So take a little bit of fondant and use this tool. Cut with the scissor. A tiny petal. Here is it. Dip the wire in the glue and then make it. So keep it aside to dry. In the middle first and then a little bit these two sides. Take the flower in the middle. And then start from this side. One by one. So 5 of them. Take it out from here. And here is the rose. I'm keeping aside this one to dry, then I can use it. So I give another layer and smooth it. This layer is little bit thick. Make it little bit deep, then I can see here. Okay. Now I'm giving the ribbon. So I'm using water first. Cut the extra fondant here. Okay, so nice. Flowers are all dry now, so let me use them. I'm starting from here, so I use a little bit of water so that the flower can stick nicely. Okay, so here push it inside. So it's look nice. Okay, it's like this. Okay. Then the other ones. Here it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.